How's it going, everybody? Tom here with Keto Lifestyle, and today we are doing a review of the Real Good Pizza Company's pizza. I know they make enchiladas, and I haven't tried those yet, but today we have the pizza. So, I've got the uncured pepperoni and the supreme. Now, to start things off, let's talk about the price of these things. These things are about $6.50 each at my local grocery store, so they are pretty expensive. I'm not really sure if anything could be good enough for me to justify that cost, but we'll see, and I'll leave that up to you guys. Now, I did look at the ingredients list on both of these, and this one does have a little bit of dextrose. This one does have a little bit of, I think it's dried cane sugar, dried cane sugar. But it's very minimal, and if it's in the meats. If you look at it, they actually break down what portion of the pizza has what in it. But mostly very keto-friendly ingredients, but it is quite a long ingredient list, so if that does freak you out, just be cautious. Now, these things have to bake for about, well, this one was 20 minutes, this one was 27 minutes at 425. What I did notice is they do shrink a little bit when you're baking them. But we're gonna go ahead and give them a taste test real quick. So I'm gonna start with the pepperoni one. Definitely not bad. What I will say is the crust actually is where I get most of the flavor from. The crust is actually made of chicken and Parmesan cheese. So the toppings are there, but it definitely feels like most of the flavor I'm getting from this pizza is on the crust. Maybe that'll be different with the Supreme because the Supreme has more toppings. So let's go ahead and give that one a try right now. Now, the toppings of the Supreme definitely hid the taste of the crust a lot better. Not that the crust tastes bad, but it wasn't as overpowering as it is with the just cheese and pepperoni. To go over the macros on things, I believe they both have 4 carbs in them. But I'm going to go ahead and just put the macros above each box right now so that you guys see them. But they're about 4 net carbs each, which isn't bad at all either. So, to kind of wrap this up, like, what do I think of them? I think they're a good keto option. Definitely if you're on the run or something like that, they're good. You know, if you're traveling, whatever the case may be. I would eat them again, but at $6 or whatever it comes out to a box at my grocery store, I know you can get them from their website a lot cheaper. I have no affiliation with them, so I don't have a discount code for you guys or anything like that. So maybe you can find one online, but I don't have one. But I think there's ways you can get them cheaper directly from Real Good Pizza. But I can't justify the $6.50 that I'm paying per pizza. But with that, I'm going to go ahead and close out this video. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a like and leave comments in the comment section if you have any questions. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. It really does help me out with a lot. So with that, I'll see you guys in the next one.